Hello friends, this is tutorial number 18 in this Scala programming language tutorial. In this tutorial we will create some quiz application. We will still practice loops. We will create a quiz application and we will have 5 questions, and we need to the question will be which is the capital of some country, and we need to get to type a response, and if a response is correct we will get 10 points. If answer is wrong we will not have points. And let's start. We will see how much we know the geography. We will need couple of variables. I think that we will just need 2 of them. First we need more, because first we will need variable input will be equals to new scanner system.in, and let's import scanner from Java library. And now let's create another variable. It will be entry, or it can be variable x equals to 0, and we need variable score which will be 0 also. Now we need to create do while loop. And we need inside this do while loop we will need a question, and let's type question print line. It will be which is the capital of Hungary, and let's type 4 responses. First option will be Budapest. Second option will be Bratislava. Third option will be Belgrade, and fourth option it can be Prague. Okay, and this question will repeat until we don't get some answer. And we have 4 options. We need to type 1, 2, 3 or 4. We need a while. It will run until x is lesser than 1 and x is greater than 4. Okay, this loop will run, and okay, we can, maybe it's better here, we can start with couple of stars, and we need our variable x. X equals to, inside this do while loop, okay, we initialize with 0. But inside this do while loop we will redefine x will be equals to input dot next int. Now it's okay, and we need to create one control statement. If we type some other number, if x is lesser than 1, or x is greater than 4, then we will get message print line you must select one, or we can just you must answer the question. Maybe it will be better. This is okay. And if we answer the question, the loop will stop. We'll have, of course, another question. And now we need, after this do while loop, we need to we need to match. We will match, or maybe it's better. It is better to type if statement, because we have one answer which is correct. If x equals to 1, we will write print line, and it will be correct answer, and we will type you earned 10 points, and we need to redefine the score. Score plus equals to 10, because we have a correct answer, and score we will our score will be increased by 10. And we will write print line. We need to write it current score, and we need variable score. And we will have else statement, and it will run if our answer is not correct. We need to write wrong answer, and we will print line current score, but we will not earn any points. Current score, and we need a variable score. And now we can just print couple of stars to separate. We will see how it will run. Let's save, and let me see how it will run this, because this first question is most important. And let's go this up, move this up a little. Let's run. Which is the capital of Hungary? And let's type number 8. Okay, you must answer the question, and this is not good. And because we here let me see, if x is lesser than 1, here needs to be or. Again, we have a mistake with this, but okay. We will run again. Which is the capital of Hungary? Now let's type number 8. Okay, you must answer the question now, it's better. And let's type number 0. Okay, we have again number 5. Okay, we are inside the loop and it will not finish until we answer the question. We need to answer with number 1, 2, 3 or 4. We have 4 options. And let's answer number 2. And wrong answer, current score is 0, which is good. Let's run again. Okay, let's type number 3. Wrong answer, which is good. Number 4. Wrong answer. And now let's answer number 1. Correct answer, you earned 10 points, current score is 10, which is perfect. Our question works perfectly. Now let's move this down. And now what we need to do? We simply can copy this completely, because it will be the same for another 4 questions. We can, let's copy this and we can paste it 4 times. Two, third time, and once more. Okay, we have our 5 questions. Okay, this is the first question, which is good. Now we need to create another one. Which is the capital of Hungary? We need to change this. But the problem is, okay, I think that we don't need to redefine our x. Okay, let's create another country, and it will be, which is the capital of Romania. Okay, here we can change to Bucharest, and we can just type another answer. Here will be Sofia. And now we have our question. But here, if now the correct answer is number 2. Here it will be, I think we don't need to redefine x, because we will redefine our x here in the question. And now we will just need to type here, if x equals to 2, our answer is correct, we will earn 10 points. If our answer is not correct, we will have the message wrong answer, and current score, we will again have the message about our current score. And let's continue. Which is the capital of Serbia? Okay, and now it can be the same question. It can be the same. Now we will just, here it will be number 3, because 3 will be correct answer. Now let's create 4th question, and let's go to South America, which is the capital of Argentina, and let's create another answers. Sao Paulo, Bogota, Lima, and Buenos Aires. Okay, in this case, correct answer will be number 4. We will just change it here, and our question is complete. And we need to create or to redefine 5th question, which is the capital of Mexico. let's create some answers. Toluca, San Diego, Veracruz, and Mexico City. Okay, correct answer here will be number 4, and this will be good. Now we will need to create, we will have our score, but we will have some message about our result. Now let's create control statement. If first we will need a message, print line we will write a first message about our total score, and we need variable score. And now we will create control statements. If score is lesser or equal, we can type equal to 50, but okay, you can type, but I will type lesser or equal to 50. Let's write a message, print line, you are rocking, and we can type perfectly fine. Okay, this will be the message if our score is 50 and it is all correct answers. Now we will need else if statement, and condition will be score will be a lesser or equal to 40. It will be with one wrong answer. We will write the message, print a line, and it will be not bad. And if we have more wrong answers, more than one, we will have the message, print line. Okay, it can be you are so stupid, go home and start learning. It will be enough. Okay, now let's we need Control Shift and F to format the code and Control S to save. Now we will see, just we need to wait for to build. We will see how our application works, if we have some errors to fix, or it will work perfectly. Let me move this up, and now let's run our application. Which is the capital of Hungary? Let's type 0. Okay, you must answer the question, and we have a question again. Let's type number 5 to see if everything works properly. Okay, now let's answer the question. Number 2. Okay, and it's wrong answer. Current score is 0. And we have the second question, which is the capital of Romania. It is number 2, Bucharest. And correct answer, you earn 10 points. We have current score is 10, which is good. Which is the capital of Serbia? It's number 3, Belgrade. And our answer is correct. And we earned 10 points. We have now 20 points. And which is the capital of Argentina? We'll type Bogota. And this answer is wrong. Current score is 20. And which is the capital of Mexico? We will type Veracruz. And this is the wrong answer. Current score is 20. and this is a total score is 20. Perfectly fine, you are rocking. That's not good. Let me see where's the problem now. Okay, if score, okay, if score, okay, this we have this score. Yes, it's my mistake, because if score is needs to be greater or equal than 40, or greater equal than 50, greater equal than 40. Now we will need to run again. It was my mistake, but first we need to, okay, let's run it again. Which is the capital of Hungary? 4. Not correct. Capital of Romania, okay. Capital of Serbia, number 3. Okay, we have 20 points. Capital of Argentina, Sao Paulo, not correct. And capital of Mexico, let's type San Diego, okay. And we have current score is 20, total score is 20. You are so stupid, go home and start learning. This is perfect, because we have just 20 points, and this works fine. We need at least 40 points to get some message. We have less than 40, more than one wrong answer, and this means that it works fine. Now let's run again. Which is the capital of Hungary? Let's type Belgrade, and it's wrong answer. Now let's try again with second question. Which is the capital of Romania? It's Bucharest. Okay, correct answer. You earned 10 points. Current score is 10, which is great. Capital of Serbia is Belgrade, and we have earned 10 points. Current score is 20, which is the capital of Argentina. Fourth question, we'll type number 4, and we earned 10 more points, which is great. And which is the capital of Mexico? And we will just type number 4, Mexico City, and correct answer. You earned 10 points. Current score is 40, and it's not bad. Just one more thing before I try with, I just forgot question here. Okay, which is the capital of Hungary? We need sign. Okay, and now we will need in all questions, just to be prettier, we just forgot this little thing. Application works, but it is better to have a sign of question. And here, okay, let's save it, and now we will just run application again, but we need to wait to build. Okay, it's built, and let's run again. Which is the capital of Hungary? We will type 1. Now it's better, it has question sign. Okay, correct answer. We earned 10 points. Which is the capital of Romania? We will type Bucharest, number 2. Okay, correct answer. Which is the capital of Serbia? Number 3, Belgrade. Okay, we earned 10 more points. Which is the capital of Argentina? Number 4, Buenos Aires. And which is the capital of Mexico? We will type number 5. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We didn't answer the question. Of course, it's number 4. But okay, correct answer. You earned 10 points. Current score is 50. Total score is 50. Perfectly fine. You are rocking. It means that application works perfectly fine. Now let's see our application. As you can see, the most important thing here, define our variables. Input variable x we will initialize with 0, but of course in every question we will redefine it. And our variable score, which we will redefine only if we give correct answer. Each answer will increase by 10 points. Of course, we have a question. We will input our answer, which is variable x, and if we type any other number lesser than 1, greater than 4, we will just have it will be inside the loop. We will have the message you must answer the question, and loop will run again. It will run until x is lesser than 1 or x is lesser than 4. If we don't answer the question, loop will run. And when we type answer, if we answer correctly, we will receive this message: correct answer, you earn 10 points, and our score will increase by 10. If we give wrong answer, our score will be the same. We will just have the message wrong answer and current score. We have 5 questions, and at the end, when we answer the last question, we will have the message of our score. And if score is 50, or if this is graded or equal than 50, but of course it can be maximum 50, we will have the message perfectly fine. If we have one wrong answer, if we have 40 points, we will receive the message not bad. And we have 2 or more wrong answer, we will receive the message you are so stupid, go home and start learning. Okay, it's a life, but the point is that our application works perfectly fine. Of course, you will type this together with me, and you can practice it a little. Of course, you can create more challenges with more questions, other type of quiz with some. It doesn't need to be capital, so it can be some other type of questions. You can type 10, 20. It's the same. The most important is that your first question works perfectly, and you can just copy and just change some values as we did in this application, and your quiz will your application will run perfectly. I really hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. You have a link in the description, and I will see you in the next tutorial.